Study people, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your houses. Hi friends, welcome to Dream Job online classes. Today I am here with interesting and easy learning concept by explaining you Indian polity chapter wise by covering important topics and also practicing all the important bits with brief explanations. I hope it helps you a lot. The topic which I am explaining is very important that I myself gathered all the important points and kept in front of you for easy grasp and fast learning. If you want to follow the session date wise by covering all the important topics, please subscribe our channel. And if the video gives worth to your time, then like the video too. Now coming to the sessions, in Indian polity, today we are going to discuss about the chapter 1 constitutional development and nature and sources part 1. In this topic, the first question is which is the highest law of the land? Answer is option B Indian constitution. Explanation is Constitution of India is the highest law of land in India. It is a document having special legal sanctity which sets out the framework and principal functions of the government. It also termed as fundamental law of the country which reflects people's faith and aspirations. Second question, the Constitution of India was framed by Constituent Assembly. Explanation Constituent Constitution of India was framed by Constituent Assembly which consisted of total 389 members before partition and 299 members after partition of India. Third question, the Indian Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949. Explanation is Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949. We can find the mention of date of adoption of Constitution in the preamble of Constitution. Preamble along with some provisions of constitutions come into force on November 26, 1949 itself. Coming to the fourth question, the Indian Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. Explanation is Indian Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. January 26 was selected as the date of commencement of the Constitution of India because on this date in 1930 Indian people observed Independence Day following the resolution of Purna Swaraj of Congress session held in the midnight of December 31, 1929 at Lahore. Fifth question. January 26 selected as the date for the inauguration of the constitution because the Congress had observed it as the Independence Day in 1930. Question number 6, Constitution Day of India is on 26 January. Explanation Constitution Day, which is also known as Samvidhan Divas, is celebrated on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of Constitution of India. We the people of India adopted Constitution of India on this date only in 1949, which came into force on 26 January 1950. Coming to the seventh question, the original Constitution of India was published in. Answer is option D Dehradun. Explanation The original Constitution of India took nearly 5 years to publish and it was published in Dehradun. Indian Constitution is made up of how many words? 80,000 words. Explanation Initially, the Constitution of India contained 395 articles, 22 parts, and 8 schedules, which were comprised of approx 80,000 words in its English language version. At present, Constitution contains 448 articles, 25 parts, and 12 schedules, comprising of approximately 1,17,000 words in its English version. Question number 9. The constitution of which country is the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world? It's option D, India. Explanation: Constitution of India is the longest written constitution of any sovereign country. Originally, it had 22 parts, 395 articles, and 8 schedules. Question number 10. First country to make constitution is USA. Yes, USA is the first country to make the constitution in the world. Explanation: Constitution is legally sanctified document consisting of basic governing principles of state. USA was the first country to make constitutions, which was ratified on the June 21, 1778. Question number 11. The original 1950 Constitution of India is preserved in Parliament House. Explanation: The original Constitution of India was not typeset or printed but written in beautiful calligraphy by Prem Behari Narain Rijada. Sorry if there is any grammatical mistakes in pronunciation. Narayan Rijada. The document is now preserved in a special helium-filled case in Library of Parliament. The drafting committee wrote the Indian Constitution in which language? Only in English. Yes, only in Indian Constitution was written only in English language. Explanation: Drafting committee was set up under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on 29 August 1947 to prepare a draft of the new constitution. It took less than 6 months to prepare its draft, which was prepared only in English and later on translated into Hindi. Question number 13. What does the wheel in the national flag represents? What does the wheel in the national flag represents? Answer is option B, truth. Explanation: National flag of India is a rectangular flag consisting of deep saffron, white and green colors with a 24-spoke wheel, the Ashok Chakra in navy blue at its center. The wheel represents truth, justice and forwardness. Question number 14. In the national flag of India, Ashok Chakra is dash spoked wheel. Ashok Chakra is of 24-spoked wheel. The Ashok Chakra has 24 spokes in between the wheel, inside the wheel, sorry. Question number 15. Who among the following was the first Minister of Finance in independent India? R.K. Shanmugam Chetty. Explanation is R.K. Shanmugam Chetty was first Minister of Finance of independent India. John Mathai took over the railway and transport ministry, whereas Liaquat Ali Khan was finance minister in interim government, which was formed in 1946. Question number 16. Which among the following articles came into force on 26 November 1949, the day the Indian Constitution was adopted? In this, answer is option number A, Article 388. Explanation: India adopted its constitution on 26 November 1949. Preamble along with some articles was enacted on this day only. These articles are Article 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 324, 366, 367, 379, 380, 388, 391, 392 and 393. Question number 17. When did India become a complete sovereign democratic republic? Option number D, 26 November 1949. Explanation: Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949. Preamble along with some other articles was enacted on this day only. Preamble defines India as sovereign, democratic and republic. Question number 18. Which of the following country has a non-written constitution? Option number B, UK. Explanation: Non-written constitution means no single document where all the laws are written. UK, New Zealand and Israel have non-written constitution. Question number 19. A unitary form of government is that in which all the powers are concentrated in the hands of. Option number B, central government, and the explanation is unitary form of government is a type of government in which country is governed by a single unit of power, that is central government, which controls all the state affairs with a unified command. Question number 20. Bicameral system is a feature of which of the following form of government? Option number C, federal system. Explanation is bicameral system is the system of having two chambers, that is lower house and upper house. Generally, the concept of upper house is related with the representation of states at central legislatures, which can be a requirement in federal setup. Therefore, it is a feature of federal system. Example, India. The division of power and independence of judiciary are two important features of federal character of government. Explanation is division of power and independence of judiciary are two important features of federal character of government. Other important features of federal government are written constitution, rigidity of constitutions and supremacy of constitution. Federation of USA is called the perfect federation. Question number 22nd. The serious fault in federal form of government is. Option number B, authoritarian governance. Rakesh Yadav, Readers Publications Private Limited, Indian Polity 143. Explanation: federal form of government is a structure in which a number of states are in agreement with the another to remain as a group, but they each hold the right to secede, that is withdraw from group. Example, USA. Question number 23rd. Which of the following has the feature of dual citizenship? Option number B, federal government. Explanation. Federal form of government has the feature of dual citizenship. Federal countries like USA and Switzerland have dual citizenship, namely federal and national citizenship, and citizenship of state where a person is born or permanently resides. Question number 24. The advantages of unitary system of governance is. Option number B, strong state, and the explanation is a unitary form of government is a government in which all powers of states are concentrated in hands of a central government. Under this system, administration becomes strong as all the powers are in hands of the one government, and greater skill and efficiency is reflected both in domestic and international affairs. Question number 25. In which of the form composite India has been described in the Constitution? A union state. Explanation: Article 1 says India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. The term union was suggested by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, which indicates two things. First, Indian union is not a result of agreement of sovereign states, and second, states do not have right to secede from union. Question number 26. Which of the following is not a feature of Indian Constitution? Presidential form of government is not a feature of Indian Constitution. Explanation: India is a country which has parliamentary form of government, which federal system of governance that has a feature of independence of judiciary. Presidential form of government is a feature of USA and France. Question number 27. What is the basis of classifications of governments and unitary and federal? As unitary and federal. Answer is option number C, relationship between the center and states. Explanation: on the basis of distribution of powers between the center and states, the government is classified into two, unitary and federal government. In unitary form of government, all powers are kept with center, some of which can be delegated to state, whereas in federal government there is complete division of powers between center and state. Question number 28. Indian constitution is which type of constitution? Quasi federal. Explanation: Though Indian constitution has characteristics of federal structure, still it is called as quasi-federal in nature. This is because in federal structure there is a complete separations of powers between center and states and center cannot interfere in the affairs of states and vice versa. Whereas in India there are provisions under which center can interfere in powers of state under few circumstances like national emergency which makes it quasi-federal. Question number 29. Which of the following is the inalienable attribute of the parliamentary system of government? Answer is option number B, fusion of executive and legislature. Explanation is parliamentary system of government is a system in which there is close relationship between executive and legislature and executive is a part of legislature. Question number 30. Democratic socialism aims at bringing about socialism through democratic means. Explanation. Democratic socialism is a political ideology which aims at political democracy alongside social ownership of means of production, that is socialism through democratic means. Question number 31. Which of the following judgments stated that secularism and federalism are the basic features of the Indian constitution? Answer is option number B. SR Bommai cases 144 Rakesh Yadav Readers Publication Private Limited Indian Polity. And the explanation is the concept of basic structure was given by Supreme Court in Keshavananda Bharati case 1973. At the time, court did not define what is the basic structure. Supreme Court in subsequent cases defined some of the basic structure. In SR Bommai case 1994, which was related to misuse of Article 356, that is state emergency or President's rule, Supreme Court stated circularism and federalism as basic structures of constitution. Question number 32. Which of the following elements are necessary for a democratic system? Answer all of these. Explanation. Democratic system is a system in which all the citizens have equality of opportunity and rights to which they can protect to exercise power directly or elect their representatives through free and unbiased election. Question number 33. Which of the following countries enjoys a federal form of government? Answer is option B, USA. Explanation. USA enjoys a truly federal form of government. It established a dual form of government, that is federal central government and state governments. Neither is subordinate to other but are coordinate and independent within the sphere allotted to them. Thank you friends for watching the video. Sorry if there is any grammatical mistakes in pronunciation. It was my first attempt. Please excuse me. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.